So I'm listing this 2-bed, 2-bath condo at China Basin, and honestly, the new recessed lighting is just way too bright. Like, why can't I see my thoughts? Hello? The private balcony overlooks a courtyard that's uncomfortably vibrant. Plants thriving, people smiling. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about that. The kitchen's just begging me to cook, but all I feel are expectations, and inevitably, disappointment. The bedrooms get great natural light, which is a problem, honestly, because it's telling me to do stuff. Oh.
James, I think there's blackout curtains.
You know, sometimes my problems don't want answers. Can you just listen? This bathroom feels like a hotel. I feel like this is how you get numb to life and become an a-hole. No? There's also a full gym in the building, which is unfortunate because now I have no excuses. Oh, yeah, there's a hot tub too. That's just too much relaxation for a Tuesday, don't you think? Anyway, it's a fantastic condo and I've run out of fake problems.